So we have a card here which is revealing itself on hover and collapsing on out of hover, and this is the code file of it. It's pretty simple. This is the HTML of that card, and this is the CSS. So what we are doing with the card is basically it's revealing on hover fully and collapsing and out of hover. And this image element is not just an image; it's a clickable element. So if a keyboard users reaches out to that and as you can see the card is not revealing itself even on the focus of that element. So one thing that comes into our mind is that we can use pseudo class of focus, so that will do that thing. But as you can see it's still the same way. The if even if the element is on focus, the card is not revealing itself. So we have the pseudo class of focus within. What it is doing is basically when the inner element is on focus, the container also acts upon that. So as we are doing with the hover, we can also add a focus within.